Joey, where you going? What do you want to do? Huh? What was that? What was that? What was that? Alright, you're officially crazy. Something's officially wrong with you now. You alright? Just like a weird mood? Alright. Is he gonna sneeze? Is he gonna sneeze? Wait for it. Wait for it. Guess not. I think he wants me to take him out. Alright, I guess I gotta take him out. See you later. I'll be posting a video soon. Another video soon. Bye.